Buzz wants to go to lychee flower.
Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, Buzz. Where are you going?
I am going to drink honey, Grandma. I am hungry.
Okay, come back quickly. Don't get lost.
Oh, who are you? I haven't seen you near our house before.
We are worker bees. We have come from that beehive. What is your name? Are you not a worker bee?
My name is Buzz. I do not live in a beehive. I live with Meenu and Cheenu in their house. But what is a worker bee?
Oh, it's so funny. You are a honeybee and you don't know about worker bee? I will tell you. Look, that is our beehive. That is our home. That is where we live.
I know about beehives. It is the home for honeybees. I have seen them on tree branches or windowsills. There are many beehives near our home.
So we live in that beehive, in that tree.
Oh, there are thousands of bees in that hive.
Yes, Buzz. All hives have thousands of bees. But each hive has only one queen bee. Only she lays the eggs. There are only a few male bees in the hive. Most of the bees are worker bees. We are also worker bees. We work the whole day. We make the hive and we also take care of the baby bees.
Oh, so you have to work the whole day. I am very lucky. Meenu and Cheenu don't make me work. They also teach me all good things. They are very kind to me.
You are very lucky, Buzz. We fly around the whole day, from flower to flower. We keep searching for nectar. Oh, that flower must have lots of nectar.
How do you know that flower has lots of nectar?
Look at that bee there. Can you see what it's doing?
Oh yes, I can see. It is doing some funny dance.
It's not a funny dance, Buzz. It is a special kind of dance that we do when we find nectar in a flower. When we do this dance, the other bees also get to know that there is nectar in that flower.
Oh, that's really smart, bee. So, the worker bees do all the work in a hive. If you don't make the hive, there will be no beehive. If you don't collect and bring nectar from flowers, all the bees in the nest will go hungry. So, worker bees are very, very important for any hive.
Yes, we are very important to any hive. There can be no hive without us. We are just like those worker ants going there in a line. Can you see that, Buzz?
Worker ants? Who are they?
Worker ants are just like the worker bees. Even ants live and work together like us, Buzz. They also have a queen ant who just lays eggs. Then there are soldier ants who look after and guard the ant nest.
Worker ants must be working all the time like you.
Yes, they are also very busy like us. They are always busy searching for food. They bring the food to the nest. Come, let us say hello to them. Hello, Mr. Ant.
Hello, Mr. Bee. Did you find good nectar today?
I am still looking for some, Mr. Ant. What are you taking with you?
Oh, nothing much. Just found some pieces of sugar lying on the floor. We are carrying them to our nest. Soon it will be winter. We are collecting as much food as we can.
You are very hardworking, Mr. Ant, just like these bees.
We are the worker ants. We have to work for our nest. Bye. We have to go now.
Bye, Mr. Ant. Bee, you must be knowing this. Can you tell me where you get sweet nectar?
Have you seen lychee trees? The lychee flowers are delicious. They have very sweet nectar.
Lychee trees? Where do you find them?
We will have to look for it here. But there are lots of lychee trees in Bihar.
Bihar? Where is Bihar? Oh, wait. Chinu has given me a map. Let me see the map. Oh, Bihar is here. It is a state in India.
Yes, this is Bihar. It is a big state. There are lots of lychee trees in Bihar. Its flowers are lovely. So many people there do beekeeping.
Beekeeping? What is that?
People keep honeybees in boxes and collect honey.
How do they do that?
There are special boxes for honeybees. Beekeepers make a syrup with sugar and the bees come to the box. Then they put the box near lychee trees.
Oh, that must be lots of fun. You can drink lots of delicious lychee flower nectar.
That's right. So the bees make lots of honey. Then the beekeepers collect that honey and sell it in the market.
Oh, do they sell the honey in the market?
Yes, they sell it to the wholesalers.
Wholesalers? Who are wholesalers?
Wholesalers are people who buy things from people who produce things, like farmers, beekeepers, etc. Then the wholesalers sell it to shopkeepers in the smaller market. Like a lot of beekeepers go and sell their honey to a wholesaler. He will then sell it to different shopkeepers in different places.
Oh, then when someone wants to buy honey, they buy it from these shopkeepers.
That's right.
I know that. Even Papa sells his rice to wholesalers in big markets. He does not sell it to people in the local market.
Yes, the wholesalers will then sell these rice bags to different small shopkeepers. Buzz, we have to go back to our hive now. We have collected some nectar today. We have to take it back to the hive.
Even I have to go back home now. Grandma will be worried. But Bee, will you take me to the lychee flower tomorrow?
I will take you to the lychee flower tomorrow morning.
Oh, I can't come in the morning. I have to go to school.
You go to school? What do you do there?
I go to school with Meenu and Cheenu. I learn a lot of good things in school. I learn English, maths. I sing, dance, and draw pictures.
But why do you go to school, Buzz? Many children also don't go to school.
I know. Many children don't go to school. And that's very bad, Bee. If you don't go to school, you can't read or write. You cannot get a good job and you cannot earn money.
That's right. But people don't understand this.
Meenu told me that children don't even have to pay money to study till class 8. They are given midday meals also in school. I also eat there. Still, many children don't go to school. Cheenu said that it is only in the state of Kerala that everybody is educated.
State of Kerala? Where is that? Buzz, you had a map of India, right? Can you show me where it is?
Sure, Bee. Look, this is Kerala. It is a state in the southern part of India.
Oh, it is close to the sea. What is the name of this sea?
Let me see. It is called the Arabian Sea.
Buzz, you can read very well.
Yes, Bee. I learned from Meenu and Cheenu. So, this is Kerala. Here, everyone is educated. All children in this state go to school. Grandma said that she will take us all to Kerala during our holidays.
Buzz, will you also teach me to read and write? I don't know why people don't want to send their children to school. It is so much fun to go to school and you can learn so many things.
I will teach you to read and write, B. But you have to take me to the lychee flowers.
Okay, I will take you there tomorrow evening after you come back from school.
Okay, bye. I have to go home now.
Buzz, where did you go? I was so worried.
Grandma, I met B. I was talking to B. I got to know that honeybees and ants live in groups.
Yes, Buzz. Even termites and wasps live in groups like ants and honeybees.
Grandma, did you know that there is only one queen bee in each hive and she lays all the eggs? There are less male bees. Most of the bees in a hive are worker bees. They do all the work just like the worker ants. Even ants have only one queen ant who lays the eggs.
Yes, Buzz, you are right. Now you know so much about bees and ants.
Grandma, I also know that lychee flowers are delicious. I will bring you sweet honey tomorrow. Grandma, where are Meenu and Cheenu? I will tell them all about bees and ants.
They are inside the house, busy talking about something.
Okay, I will go see them.
Hello, Buzz. Where did you go?
Hello Meenu, hello Cheenu. I went and met Bee. Bee is very sweet. I got to know all about bees and ants today. You can also meet Bee tomorrow. What are you doing?
We are debating about something, Buzz. We are debating whether going to school till class 12 should be made compulsory for all children or not.
What is debate, Meenu? How do you debate?
When we debate, we speak about our opinions. We say what we think about the matter. We also say why we think so. I was telling Cheenu that going to school should be made compulsory because it is very important for every child to learn. And I was telling Meenu that we should not force anyone to go to school. Maybe we cannot force anyone, but learning is very important for every child. If they are not sent to school and if it is made compulsory, then they will go.
Oh, this is how you debate. You discuss the topic and say what you feel about it.
Friends, will you also debate in class today? You can also debate on the same topic. Should going to school be made compulsory for children up to class 12? You can discuss whatever you feel about the topic. Shall we help Buzz match the following? Lays eggs,
Queen bee, queen ant. Guards ant nest. Soldier ant. Collects food for ant nest. Worker ant. Collects nectar. Worker bee. Lays eggs. Queen bee. Queen ant. Guards ant nest. Soldier ant. Collects food for ant nest. Worker ant. Collects nectar. Worker bee. Friends, Little Butterfly needs your help to answer some questions. Will you help the butterfly? You can say the answers loudly, or you can write it down in your notebook also. Where do bees live? Beehive. Where do bees build their homes? Branches of trees, windowsills. Can you think of any more places where bees built their homes? Which bee lays eggs? Queen bee. Which bee does all the work? Worker bee. What is the male bee called? Drone. Which other insects live together in a group like honeybees? Ants, termites, and wasps. In which state in India do lots of lychee trees grow? Bihar. Which ant looks after and guards the ant nest? soldier ant. Which ant looks for food and brings it to the ant nest? Worker ant. Friends, do you have your notebook and pencil ready? Will you answer the questions with me? How do bees tell each other that there is lots of nectar in the flowers? Bees do a special dance to tell each other about the nectar in flowers. Why are worker bees important for a hive? The worker bees make the hive and collect the nectar from flowers. How do the beekeepers make bees come to the boxes they have made? The beekeepers make a syrup with sugar to make the bees come to the box. What do the beekeepers do with the honey? The beekeepers collect the honey and sell it in the market. Who are wholesalers? Wholesalers are those people who buy things from people who produce things and sell them to shopkeepers in smaller markets. Why is it important for children to go to school? It is important for children to go to school so that they can learn to read and write. Shall we help the little butterfly fill in the blanks now? Every child goes to school in Every child goes to school in Kerala. Is situated in the southwest of India. Kerala is situated in the southwest of India. Is the sea near Kerala? Arabian Sea is the sea near Kerala. Ants look after and guard the ant nest. Soldier ants look after and guard the ant nest. Collects nectar from flowers. Worker bee collects nectar from flowers. Lays eggs in a beehive. Queen bee lays eggs in a beehive. Every child goes to school in Kerala. Kerala is situated in the southwest of India. Arabian Sea is the sea near Kerala. Soldier ants look after and guard the ant nest. Worker bee collects nectar from flowers. Queen bee lays eggs in a beehive. Will you tell loudly if the following sentences are true or false? Butterfly will then pick up the correct one for you. Termites and wasps live in groups like ants and bees. True. Only the queen bee lays eggs. True. There are many queen bees in a hive. False. All insects live in groups. False. Worker ants collect food for their nest. True. Soldier ants guard the ant nest. True. There are lots of lychee trees in Kerala. False. Arabian Sea is near Kerala. True. Bees sing a song when they find nectar in flowers. False. Beekeepers make a syrup of sugar to attract bees to their boxes. True. Termites and wasps live in groups like ants and bees. True. Only the queen bee lays eggs. True. There are many queen bees in a hive. False. All insects live in groups. False. Worker ants collect food for their nest. True. Soldier ants guard the ant nest. True. There are lots of lychee trees in Kerala. False. Arabian Sea is near Kerala. True. Bees sing a song when they find nectar in flowers. False. Beekeepers make a syrup of sugar to attract bees to their boxes. True. Shall we do more matching? Bihar, lychee trees. Kerala, Arabian Sea. Wholesaler, people who buy things from producers. Beekeeper, makes sugar syrup to attract bees. Can you draw a bee or an ant in your notebook?
honeybee.
Ant.
Friends, do you want to debate in class now? You can choose any topic that you like. Or you can debate on, are girls and boys given equal opportunity to go to school?